In this video, I'm going to show you how to print from Adobe Bridge. Now, to print from Adobe Bridge, you basically have to first put your output to PDF, and then from there you can basically print the PDF. So let me show you how to do this because that's going to be your best bet. Now, first, you want to go up top over here. You want to click on the two arrows to the right, and you want to open up the Output workspace. Now, if it's not showing for you, you can go to Window up top, Workspace, and then click on Output, and it's going to open the Output basically window. Okay, so whenever you do this, you basically have to select what you want to print. So you have different templates over here top right. You can select a contact sheet, you have 2x2 cells, you have two greeting card, you have like a bunch of different things. So I'm just gonna pretend I want this one, so two 2x2 cells over here, and then you want to drop your images onto your canvas. So for example, like this, I'm going to drop them over here like that. And then whenever you do this, over here you can select your document size, you can select width, height, background color, etc. You can do whatever you want here, and then whenever you're done, of course, with all the grids, margins, headers, watermarks, footers, properties, etc., you can go and export to PDF. I'm just going to click on over here, and then whenever you do this, it's going to basically export as a PDF. So I'm going to export it in here. There we go. It's now basically generating this. Usually it's quite quick. Then it's going to open up that specific thing inside your browser like this. Of course, you were able to exclude your names and stuff like that in there as well. And then to actually print, you can click on the print button top right, select your printer, and then select all the printing properties, hit the print button, and you're good to go. You can print that way from Adobe Bridge. Now, of course, it's not direct. It doesn't have a direct print button, but you get the point. That's how we do it. By the way, if you want to exclude these things over here, you can exclude the file names and stuff like that to only basically keep the images in there, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.